The FIFA World Cup is not far away anymore, and during this FIFA World Cup, you can make football videos and earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month. You might say I'm crazy, but look at that. In 2022, over 5 billion people engaged with the World Cup across all media, and the final alone was watched by 1.4 billion people. That's 1 in every 5 humans on the entire planet watching a single event. But 2026 is expected to be even bigger because the tournament just expanded to 48 nations. More countries, more fan base, more national pride on the line, and millions of people who've never cared about football suddenly caring deeply because their country is in. You may say that if you make videos about football, your videos could get copyright claims or your channel could be terminated. But this time, nothing like that will happen. The reason is the collaboration between YouTube and FIFA. Because of this collaboration, creators will get many benefits that you can see on the screen. So today, I am going to give you 2 viral niches that will make your channel grow like a rocket because they are trending globally. And you won't get any copyright issues either. So let's start with niche number 1, short footballer stories. Here, I will find the story of a famous footballer and create it in the style of Zach D films using AI. Since I am using AI, we won't need to use any copyrighted football clips. To make the video, first you need to come to ChatGPT and write, "Can you give me short and real stories about famous football players?" After sending that, ChatGPT will give you many real stories about famous football players. Then select one story from there and check on Google whether it is real or fake. To check it, go to Google and type, "Is this true?" Then put your topic. Google will tell you whether that story is real or fake. After checking, come back to ChatGPT and use your chosen topic and say, "I like this one. Can you give me a rough script of this for my short YouTube channel?" Then click Send and ChatGPT will give you a rough script. After getting the script, write, "Polish this script and make it similar to Zach D Films style." After writing that, paste your rough script and click Send. Then ChatGPT will write the script in Zach D Films style. After getting the script, write, "Create simple and minimalist scenes for this video script in the correct order to match the story." Then paste your script and click Send. Now ChatGPT will give you each scene and explain how the visuals should look. Then copy the visuals and paste them into Nano Banana or any other image model. After pasting them, write this line: "Semi-realistic, 3D render, game engine cutscene style, small textures, subtle fabric detail, soft reflections, neutral lighting." Then generate the images one by one. After that, if you want, you can use Meta AI to convert them into videos. Then use any AI voice generator to convert the script into a voiceover. After that, go to CapCut and combine the images or videos with the voiceover to make a video and upload it to YouTube. Now, let's move to the second niche. The second niche is facts about football. Before creating, first look at what we are going to create.
5 facts about Ronaldo that you have never heard. Cristiano Ronaldo can reportedly jump higher than many professional basketball players. Ronaldo had heart surgery at age 15 and returned to football shortly afterward. Ronaldo's body fat percentage has often been lower than many Olympic sprinters. He was named after former US President Ronald Reagan. Ronaldo once scored a hat trick against Spain in the World Cup at age 33.
Creating this type of video is super easy. First, go to ChatGPT and write, "Give me 10 facts about football and famous football players." Make sure the information you give is true. Don't give me any false facts. Then click Send. ChatGPT will give you many real facts. Select any one of them. Then write in the prompt box, "I like this one. Make a short script for my YouTube channel." Then put your chosen topic. ChatGPT will create a good script for you. Then use the previous steps to create the visuals and audio. Then go to CapCut and edit them together, and your video is ready. This is how you can easily create good videos. So start from today. Don't forget to like this video, and if you don't want to miss more informative videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Also, the video appearing in front of you right now, click on it. See you there. Bye-bye.